Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to view blocked contacts on WhatsApp. We start by opening WhatsApp. Next, click on the three upper points and then on Settings. Here we enter the privacy category. Then, we look for the blocked contacts category and click on it. Finally, we can see our blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.